Welcome back to the channel. Yes, today I'm going to take a little change of pace on what I was doing with the Jeep. I was able to get the front fender molded out, and that's complete. So I'll be working onto the rear door. But today I'm going to go ahead and start working on the wifey's car, and she got a couple things that she has that she want to change on her car. So this is what we got: rotors and some window visors, headlights, tail lights. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go ahead and open these up, check it out. Ooh la la, these are pretty nice if I don't say so myself. Sheesh. Ooh, brand new headlight, bruh. Yep. Sheesh. So we're gonna go ahead and paint up those brake calipers, get those nice and clean, and change out the rotors, and that's what we're doing today. Let's go. All right, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and change out these tail lights. Wow. Those are LED drivers. Sheesh. All right, so this is what we're looking at. Sheesh. Yeah, look good, look good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a time lapse and finish up the rear. All right, trying to figure out where I'm gonna put these LED drivers. They do have a look like a 3M sticky back. It's not 3M, but some kind of double-sided sticky tape. I'm gonna go ahead and find an area within the pocket down in there behind this cover, and just stick it onto the frame. I'll do it on that side too. So let's try to figure it out. All right, so I just shoved these up in here like that. Let me see if I can get a good shot. Yeah, so they're up in that corner. So they tucked away. I'm gonna go ahead and plug these up and see how they look. See if they're working. Ooh, ooh. Oh, one's not working. Got this one, ain't working. That's working. This one ain't working. Let's go check it out. Well, I'll be damned. Maybe if I had plugged them in, they probably would have been working. Boom, boom, beat. Woo-wee. Alright, so what's next is the headlights. I'm gonna change those out and get it looking right. Whew, here we go. All right, I'm gonna start out by removing this wheel. Jump on the rotors. Yeah, that's gonna be the next move. So let's go ahead and start to pull off these wheels. All right, finished product of the car. Sheesh. Looking good overall, visors, everything on, and everything looking good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video right here. As usual, thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing down below. Hit that post notification bell if you haven't, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.